Glasgow Lady Scotties will be wearing blue on blue with Glasgow on the front of the jersey. Lady Patriots will be wearing white on white with Lady Patriots on the front of the jersey. It's Steenbergen, Nazer, Covington, Wright, and Morris getting the starting nod for the Lady Patriots. It'll be Jaylee Covington at midcourt, jumping against Chloe Hale.
Here we go, Kyle. This is what we play all season for. It's time to get started.
And we're underway. Lady Patriots win the tip. They're off to the races. Into Nazer's hand. Now Steenbergen, top of the key. Three, and it's good.
There we go. That's exactly how you wanted to start.
Edmonton State Bank three-pointer from Jaylee Steenbergen to get the night rolling for the Lady Patriots. Shot selection here. We've rushed the last couple of shots.
Yeah, and that's what we talked about, those nerves. We should start settling down here as we find Clary wide open, 15-foot. Morris penetrate in. She knocked it down.
Bucket's good by Barry, 7-3, Lady Patriots. Bird goes left. Steenbergen goes right side, gets a handoff, drives in, shot up, and it's good! Count the bucket. She draws the foul. It's Avery Morris. Way to withstand the contact right there. Bird has it, spins near the free throw line, drives, floater in the lane, banks it in. That's her shot. She can hit that floater.
That is, that's the only thing, you know, we've not done well in this first quarter is keep her out of the lane. I don't know if we've switched defenders on her.
12-9, Lady Patriots with the lead. You're listening to the Patriot Sports Radio Network, WVLE. Here from Warren East High School, home of the 15th District Tournament. A little close, and
well, we got out in the first 2 or 3 series. We was able to run, get the ball up and down, and then Glasgow has slowed us down. You know, it's turned into more of a half-court game, which is they want to do. They want a low-scoring game because they can't put up many points. And not getting it up and down as Bean makes a circuit shot going to her right.
Falling away from the rim. Drives left side over to Cassidy.
Oh, she walked.
To Hale, deep three. It's good. Chloe Hale, wide open three, ties the game at 17 all with 3:20 left to go here in the second quarter. It's win or go home. Winner advances to the district championship and the EA Diddle Arena. Three by Steenbergen, it's good! Three by Jaylee Steenbergen, 20-17 with the lead.
Don't run it too early.
Covington spins, shot up, no good. Chloe Hale gets the rebound and pushes it to Slagle. 4 seconds to go. Now to Kirkpatrick for three, left short, and we'll go to halftime. Lady Patriots 22, Glasgow Lady Scotties 22. You're listening to WVLE 99.3, brought to you by Gary Force Honda. As the Lady Scotties will have the ball, start the second half. Into Austin's hands. She goes right side, kicks it out to Botts. Top of the key, over to Hale. Now into the middle to Botts, shot up, no good. It's gonna be Lady Patriot ball.
Yeah, they could have called Botts for over the back. Instead, they gave us the ball. Good job by Sarah Beth down there boxing her out after the shot.
Lady Patriots led by Steenbergen with 10 points. Morris with 4, Barry with 4, Nazer with 2, Covington with 2. Now to Morris, drives, layup, and it's good.
There we go.
Count the bucket. Avery Morris. Steenbergen comes up to give her a big high five right there. Good. Hale gets the long rebound right in front of Glasgow's bench. Feeds it to Austin. Lady Patriots trying to get a stop here. They're up 2. Now to Cassidy. Step back three. It's good. And good thing there's not an official replay here because I think we touched it. But hey, we'll live with it. Morris has it around the perimeter. Shot up from Morris, no good. Hale gets the rebound.
A lot of body contact. I know Coach Dunn was wanting a foul. Oh, as there's a 3-0 break.
Now over to Kirkpatrick, to Green, bucket's good. 37-32, Glasgow out in front. Another turnover.
And Botts just drives right down the middle of the lane. Nobody picks her up and scores. 42-32. Glasgow's opened up a 10-point lead to start this fourth quarter.
It's 360 Franklin Road. Talk with Todd White and Glenn Jordan at Allen County Farm Bureau. Steenbergen has it around the perimeter. Lady Patriots down 10. Nazer takes a deep three and banks it in. Banks open.
That may be the momentum we was looking for, Kyle. Now we're able to jump in the press here.
Nazer gets the steal, or it's Covington that comes up with it, but it was initiated by Nazer. Nazer for three. It's up.
Yes!
It's good! Aubrey Nazer has the Patriot faithful on their feet. 42-38. Back-to-back threes from Nazer. Three from Cassidy. No good. Green. It's a steal by Jaylee Steenbergen. Layup. She's fouled. Jaylee Steenbergen's fouled, and she hits the bucket. We trail by 2. Steenbergen goes crazy, and so does the whole Patriot faithful. The sea of red, white, and blue across from us goes crazy.
You seen that foul coming. You just was wondering if she's going to be able to finish it or not, because get her name right, Austin was coming to smack it. Big free throw right here, Kyle. Keep the momentum as she makes it down 1 with 4 minutes, 11 seconds to go.
Lady Patriots trying to punch their ticket to the 15th District Championship for the first time since 2016. Nazer, cross-court three! Aubrey Nazer for three! Aubrey Nazer knocks it down! Lady Patriots regain the lead, 46-44 with 2:42 left to go here in the ball game.
Let's go pick a defensive intensity up here, get a stop. I'm telling you, I think Nazer could throw it in from half court as Cassidy lets a three go. Big three by Cassidy.
There's moving screen by Hale, they don't call it. And then Cassidy hits a big three, 47-46. We'll take a short break. 2:20 left to go. Glasgow gets the ball back into Green's hands. Glasgow up 1.
There's a steal by Nazer.
Nazer gets the steal, kicks it to Morris. Morris with the jumper. Lady Patriots get the bucket. They have the lead, 48-47. 2:05 left to go. Trying to come up here, give a lot of pressure to Botts. She finally gets it across over to Green. Under 2 minutes to play. Cassidy.
We just need to stay on her. Do not give her a shot. Or Kirkpatrick. Kirkpatrick could be a difference maker here going down the stretch.
Because we're keying in on Cassidy, and there's Kirkpatrick around the perimeter. Hale has it over to Botts. Minute 35 left to go in the ball game. Lady Patriots up 1. Botts drives. Layup is good. Here we go. Long pass up to Steenbergen. Now to Morris in the middle. We're down 1. Minute 22 left to go. Lady Patriots with 2 timeouts. Glasgow with 2 timeouts.
See if we can get something. Morris driving to the basket.
Now Covington, the long 2.
It's not a good shot.
Not the shot we wanted, but Steenbergen saves it, throws it into Green. Nazer nearly gets a steal. Minute left to go. Now over to Botts.
Bean
Botts
drives
foul.
around her.
We've got to get Covington to foul. Yep, that was the foul.
That was a little bit of flop. That's what I started saying.
That was a flop if I've ever seen one. Botts gets pushed by Covington, but falls down dramatically. There's 47 seconds left to go. As we've got Glasgow up by 1, 49-48, 47 seconds. Botts will go to the line. Botts with some crucial free throws tonight. She's hit her free throws, if I do remember. She's been pretty good from the line. Here we go. Toes the line. Glasgow up 1, 47 seconds to go. Misses the free throw. Steenbergen gets the rebound. Lady Patriots.
Don't try to hold for a shot. Just get something driving to the basket. Make them foul you. Morris going to pull for 3 instead. It's good!
Avery Morris hits the 3. We've got to get back on defense. We're up 51-49. 28 seconds to go. Kirkpatrick drives, and she hits the layup. ties the game at 51 all, but we'll have a chance to go down and score. Timeout Glasgow, 30-second timeout. We'll stay right here, tied at 51 all. Here we go. Lady Patriots have to go full length of the floor. 23 seconds. It's knocked out of Nazer's hands. Into Glasgow, gets the steal on the inbound. 17 seconds left to go. Kirkpatrick feeds it to Green. 10 seconds to go. Kirkpatrick over to Cassidy. 7 seconds. Timeout. Glasgow with 6 seconds left to go. How did that happen? We tried to get it to Nazer, and Green comes underneath, pops it out, up into the air, up into Botz's hands. It's Glasgow ball. So it's going to be Kirkpatrick on the sideline getting the inbound.
They got to tell Clara, watch out, because they like to throw it back to her coming out of this. There it is.
Over to Hale. Now Cassidy. Cassidy goes right. Back to Slagle. Slagle at the free throw line.
Made it.
Ball game. Slagle, the 7th grader, hits the buzzer beater. Glasgow defeats the Lady Patriots 53-51. Unbelievable. Slagle, the 7th grader, hits the bucket, and yet again the Lady Patriots will go home empty-handed. They will end their season here tonight, 53-51. Brian, we had a shot. We had the ball with 23 seconds. 23 seconds. All we have to do is get the inbound. They steal the inbound pass, and then they get the timeout. They get the shot that they want. We guarded Cassidy. Slagle was there, hits the bucket at the free throw line. Glasgow moves on, and the Lady Patriots end their season here tonight, 53-51. That's going to do it tonight for the Lady Patriots.